Today's video is going to be very important for you because this is a very common situation that can happen in everyday life. Sometimes a friend, a stronger person, or even an attacker may grab and squeeze your arm like this, leaving you confused about what to do. So make sure you watch this video until the end and don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start the technique. If someone grabs your hand and squeezes it tightly like this, act as if you are in pain. While they are focused on your reaction, immediately apply this technique. Now as soon as turn your body under his arm and twist his wrist like this and move your arm out from underneath like this and grab his neck. Now he is fully under of your control. Hi guys, now we will show you this technique in fast motion in real situation, how it works or not. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comment box. If any step was difficult to understand, tell us which part and we will make a simple explanation video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss our next self defense. Thank you for watching.